How you doing?
What's up, bro?
Okay, what's up with the music, man? Like, what's...
What you feeling for?
Oh, you'll see tomorrow when it's all on the TV. Okay, how you doing, man?
Good.
So, okay, listen. Man, it's funny. I can't think of the song at the moment, but I was a huge fan. What you working on right now, Lloyd?
I just put out a song called True.
True?
Yeah, and I've been working around LA to promote it. I did Versus and Flow.
Oh, okay.
Aired in October.
Okay.
I'm gonna make an appearance on a really cool TV series on FX.
What's the series? Plug it, plug it.
I can't
Oh, you can't tell him?
No.
Okay, so I gotta just like look for it and be like, oh, Lloyd, there he is. Is that what I gotta do?
I wouldn't be mad at that.
All right, man. Listen. So now, when you was making it, when your last album came out, what was that 2007? When I remember I was in college when you did the one album that I loved. I can't think of it now.
Thinking about Street Love.
Right, Street Love.
Yeah.
Loved it. Was that 2007? Am I right about that? See,
yeah.
I remember because I went to Cal Poly and I used to bump that when I was making love to my girl.
Right.
It's true. This is all real. Like, so when you would sing that kind of song, wait, are you in a relationship? Because I don't want to get you in trouble. Are you locked down right now?
I am.
You are like, you know what? Never mind. I'm not going to ask the question I was going to ask. Because I was like, that song had to bring the ladies to you just on a regular. Right?
Did.
I mean, would you just be like, la la la, just start singing it to the ladies?
Yeah, man. Why not?
Why not? So you got the show coming out. When's the date?
I don't know when it's going to air. It should be in the next few weeks.
All right, man.
Make a little guest spot and then, yeah, just keep your ears in it and your eyes open.
All right, man. That's what's up. I still recognize you still doing your thing, man. You're a legend in your own time. That's what's up. Good to see you, man.
Thanks.
All right.